Alright, now let's pay attention to this information that we have here. Okay, we're still on page 118. Alright, let's read this information. Okay, let's read it together. Can you please start reading? Read this paragraph, please. Alright, it says, to read numbers with 3 digits, you start with the digit in the hundreds, then the digit in the tens, and finally the digit in the ones place. Alright, let's continue reading. Read this part, please. Okay, the digit in the hundreds place can have these values, okay, the ones that we have here. Let's read them together. Number 1, 100. Say it, please. 100. Okay, then we have 200. Very good. Then we have 300. Okay, 400. 500. 600. Very good. 700. Very good. 800. Very good. And then 900. Alright, very nice. Very nice. And then it says, but what comes after 999? The next place value is called thousands, okay? So the number that comes after 999 is the 1000. Okay. Now, before we continue with this information here, you're going to create a mind map, okay? You're going to create a mind map like this. Similar to this one, you can use squares, you can use triangles, any shapes that you want. This is a summary of the information. You can write your own information, okay? But this is going an example to help you. If you want to copy this, it's okay. Alright, so I am going to leave it here. Okay, so you can start working on it. Okay, write the date. Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Starting with the title, numbers with 3 digits. This is the title. Okay, so now you're gonna make your own mind map. For this activity, I will give you 12 minutes. 12 minutes. And please remember, use colors, okay? Use colors for the bubbles. Use a color to circle the title. A different color for the arrows, okay? I don't have colors, but maybe you have colors at your house. So try to use different colors, right? Very good. So now you can start. There is your time. You can start now. Here I'm gonna leave it, okay, as an example. 12 minutes. Okay, you still have 9 minutes. Remember, use different colors, okay? Different colors. Colors. You still have 6 minutes. 6 minutes. You still have 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Remember, this is just an example, okay? You can make your own with different shapes, different information, but from the learning log. Two minutes. 2 minutes. So let's see. Okay, let's stop the alarm clock. Okay, so now, it's time to work with the learning log activities. Okay, page 118. So here, let me move the iPad. Here I have my learning log, just like you. Okay. First, we're going to look up the activity number 1. Activity number 1, which is here. Okay. Can you please read the instruction of activity 1? Okay. Very good. It says, look at the pictures and answer. So first pay attention to those pictures here. What do you see there? Okay, you see boys, girls, a family. Okay, very good. So according to this, okay, according to these images, you're going to answer these questions here. You're gonna answer these questions according to the images. Can you please read the first one? Okay, how many children are there? Now the number 2, please. How many adults are there? Can you please read number 3, please? Okay, very good. How many people are there in total? Okay, so look at the picture, this picture, to answer these questions. Right? I'm going to give you time for this activity. 6 minutes to answer these questions. 6 minutes, starting now. Look at the pictures and answer these 3 questions. How many children are there? Children are, for example, you. You are children, boys and girls. Adults, like your mom, your grandma, okay, those are adults. And people, it means in general, boys and adults. Children and adults means people, alright? So answer those questions. There you have the time. Okay, let's see the time. Okay, are you ready? All right, let's check the answers together. Okay, sorry for that. So, it says, how many children are there? How many children are there? Okay, let's count. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 children. So your answer is 6. Okay, that is the answer. Now it says, how many adults are there? How many adults are there? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, 10 adults are there. So we write 10 here. Okay, very good. Then question number 3. How many people are there in total? So how many people are here in total? How many? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so the answer is 16. Okay, check your answers. Check your answers. Okay, so check your answers, please. Check if you have them correct. All right. So now let's move on to activity number 2. Can you please read the instruction, please? Okay, very good. Look at the raffle ticket and answer. Okay, so you have to pay attention to this ticket here, this raffle ticket. Pay attention so you can answer this question here. Okay, let's read the question, please. Can you please read the question? Very good. How many hundreds, tens, and ones does the raffle ticket have? Okay, according to here, how many raffle tickets, hundreds, tens, and ones does the raffle ticket have? Okay, pay attention to the raffle ticket and then you answer this activity. Okay, I am going to give you 4 minutes to do this activity. 4 minutes. Okay, starting now. 4 minutes. Pay attention to the raffle ticket. How many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones, okay? Okay, so you write your answers there. Okay, sorry for that. You still have 2 minutes. So how many hundreds? What number is in the hundreds, okay? So here you put the number that is in the hundreds place, the number that is in the tens place, and the number that is in the ones place, okay? Remember, we saw that in the beginning of the tutorial. At the beginning of the tutorial, we saw those explanations. Okay, you still have 1 minute. Sorry for that. 7 seconds. Okay, let's check the learning log answers. Okay, let's check our answers together. Okay, so here it says, look at the raffle ticket and answer. How many hundreds, tens, and ones does the raffle ticket have? What number, what number is in the hundreds place? Okay, the number 2, very good. The number 2, it's in the hundreds place, see? Now the tens, what number is in the tens place? Alright, yes, the 7. Okay, so we put the 7 here. Then the one in the ones place? The number 6. Very good. The number 6. And there we have it. The 2 is in the hundreds place. The 7 is in the tens place. And the 1s is in the sixth place. Okay? Now, question number 2. What number has to be called out loud in the raffle for the ticket to win? So what number has to be called out? 276, okay? So this number, you need to write it in letters. 276. Write it in letters, okay? So write this number 276 in letters here. Okay, I will give you time to write it. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to write it. Right? Very good. 2 minutes. Write the number 276. Write it here. Okay, 1 minute. Twenty seconds. Ten seconds. Okay. Now let's see our answers, okay? So, if you wrote it like this, okay? It says 276. Okay, that is the correct answer. 276. 76. Right? So check your answers. You got it? Okay, let's say it together. 276. All right, so we have done page 118. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on.